For this project, you are going to research and recreate in 3D format, in Paint 3D, a famous monument. There are several steps, so please make sure you take time to make sure all of them are done. So the first thing you have to do is go here to your places, and there is a good list of famous places that you can research and recreate. If there is another place that you would like to do, please just let me know and we'll talk about it. Once you have chosen your monument, then you need to open and download this research document. So it's going to ask you the name, the date, where it's at, if you know who built it, what is the purpose, why is it important in history? I mean, so why do we think it's important? Why am I saying it's a famous monument? How does it affect the region and the people? So do people come and visit it? You know, like the Empire State Building is a office building and it's where people work, but then it's also where tourists go. So how does it impact it? Symbolism, if there is any symbolism to your monument, which is basically that the monument means something different, an abstract idea. Any interesting facts, when it was built, or how it was built, who built it, you know, like King Tut was so young, etc. And then if you want to cut and paste your pictures of it to help you develop your 3D model, that would be fine. Once you are done with it, then you are going to create your 3D model in Paint 3D. It needs to be recognizable to somebody who would come and look at just your 3D representation. Once you are done with the 3D representation, then you're going to come back here and you're going to write a paragraph, basically saying all of this stuff that we talked about up here, but you need to put it in paragraph form. You will then insert your 3D model here, and you can do it by going to Insert and then 3D Model in Word, and then you can submit it. So all of your information, your research, your paragraph, and your model will be on this one Word document that you will submit. There is a rubric here that will give you an idea of what I'm looking for. But if you look here, accuracy is 4 times the point, so it's worth 40 points. And it's basically everyone can tell the landmark the model is depicting. Many people can, some people can, you can't even tell it's what you say it is. This will be the bulk of your points. Then we have quality, effort, color and texture, and effect. That will all be figured into your grade. But it is going to be all about your accuracy and can you tell what it is. The other thing you need to do is you need to click on this link. It says click here and put your monument and your name. So if I click here, it's going to bring up this map. And if I want to zoom out, depending on what it is that I'm doing, I can zoom out, I can move it over, whatever I need it to do, and I will use okay, so don't click down here. I'm going to use this link. It says click here and put your monument and name. So if I click here, it's going to take you to something called Padlet. And if you click on the plus button over here on the right side, I can then take and I can put in, I'll put in Empire State Building. And it'll come up with ideas and you can click on it. And then when it says write something beautiful, I want you to put your name. And then you click publish. So now there is going to be a pin at that place and I can tell who's doing it. And then when we're all done, we'll be able to see all the different people and all the different pins that were here. All right, and that is all for your monument project. If you have any questions, please let me know.